Guys, welcome to another LivinginSAtv video. David here, and guess what? Today we are at Bree Street, also known as Lilian Ngoyi Street, and a lot of stuff just happened, guys, and let's see. Again, stay tuned because once again this video will blow your mind. You know, guys, it's not entirely done, but it's been a long way since the last time we were here. You guys see they have been laying down the brick. Interesting, it's gonna be after all this is done, finally these people here are gonna be able to get back to business. And yeah, on this side I also want to show you guys that there's still a lot of brick there to put on the rest of the road. Yeah. Sure, this is like a 7th floor. Okay guys, let's go down and try to find out what's going on. Okay guys, we in. Let's just see some stuff on the ground and see what's going on, because I don't like only to see it from up there. You guys can see we are now on the construction site. Yeah, they come a long way with the tunnels, eh? Let's go through here so we don't have to go around. You guys know me, I like to move, I don't like to talk too much or hear people talking. The work is being done, show me. You guys can see they're still working here. How's it, guys? How's it does? Good work, good work. So you guys can see they're also laying the pipes. I'm not sure if this is gonna be for the street lights, you know, for robots. But you see that there's also a lot of consideration about, you know, sidewalks. So this is going to be very interesting when it's done. So we were all the way up there, guys, to give you guys the proper view. When Lilian Ngoyi or Bree Street start now, all these shops will open again. Because these type of arteries in the city are critical for people to make business, and if there is no flow of people, business can't be done. So yeah, looking forward. And I like the fact that I'm not using tar, but they're using brick, which is interesting. How's it? I can remember 3 months ago I was actually walking underneath these tunnels. You see all these arteries will open again. Very good news for the city. You guys can see the Braamfontein from here. I think it's positive. A very important stretch of road. See wet cement, people. It's now also lunchtime. All this will transform, guys, but something was done. This will be a big thing. How's it? Be a big thing when it's open. Just want to walk all the way there. Don't want to make it a long video, just want to walk the road so you guys have a better idea how it will look like. It's actually a very nice building. It's from city property. Can you imagine how the stakeholders around here are dying to see this done? I also like the gray and red color. see this is where it ends. Yeah. Yeah, they're still flattening the ground also. You guys can see the cylinder here. Okay guys, remember, this is the first phase which will end now on the 30th of August. The second phase will start now
5 blocks of the city.
in the next 12 months, right? So the road will open, but the sidewalks, the beautification of the arteries will be done in the next 12 months, guys. Again, I'll keep you guys updated. Imagine living here for 2 years and you're bringing all this, no joke. Okay, but good. I'd like to see that this is working. Don't know how much money was spent already on the development, but yo, let's go a long way. Okay, just walk to the other side. My boots are gonna look beautiful after this. Yeah, that's basically it. Well, I think this should take a month to end, really. Okay, this is the end. This is actually very nice. That's pretty much it, guys. Okay, so guys, why brick and not tar? Okay, this is basically to follow the model of what's happening in Main Street in Marshalltown, right? And this is not a road, let's say, per se, for cars and taxis and so on. It's a walkable street. That's another idea that we should apply in CBD. Walkable streets, put cars away, bring people in. But again, I know what you guys are saying, you know, Joburg people are gonna steal the bricks, so I don't know how they're gonna do it, if they're gonna put, you know, day and night police or security or whatever, but I think it will be a very nice street after it's done, guys. Let me know down below what you think. Yo, what a difference. What a difference. So guys, it's a main artery here on the city, so of course we're gonna still have taxis either way, because they go from a taxi rank to another, but there's gonna be a speed limit. The most important thing, guys, is people need to get their livelihood back, because there are a lot of stores here that people are dying to be able to do, you know, business as usual. Again, it will become another very important economic street or lane or avenue right here in Joburg CBD. Let me know what you guys think down below. Make sure you share, subscribe and destroy that like button, and I'll see you in the next LivinginSAtv video.